Hi, Tami Goodwin here with Luxury Living International. I am super excited that you chose us to help you sell your home. Now, we're going to give you some little tips of some things that we need to do, you and I partnering to make your home the best so that we can get it sold, guaranteed. Guaranteed. So, the first thing that we need to do is we need to schedule for your home to be professionally cleaned. Because everybody's clean is not the same, but when a professional cleaner comes in, what we do after it's professionally cleaned, we immediately bring in our professional photographer to take incredible pictures of your home, to put your home's best of the best pictures out there. We call them hero shots. We want to show your muscle with your home. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to get with you. We're going to let you know the timeline of when these things will happen. We're going to make it great. Look forward to our call. It'll be one of our team members calling you to set up to get your house clean and set up for professional pictures. We are super excited and we're ready to sell your home.